Now I have two Chamberlain garage door openers, and my goal is to pair this pad to this garage door opener because right now it didn't come with one. I operate this using my app, but sometimes I don't have my phone and I just want to open or close my garage door using this keypad. So this is how you pair it with your Chamberlain.
The instructions themselves are somewhat complicated, but I'm gonna blast through this very simply for you. I'm gonna save you a lot of time by telling you, first of all, to find this information right here. Find the color of the Learn button that's on the back of your garage door. So for example, see there's yellow, purple, red/orange, and green. In my particular case, it's yellow. I will actually show you. So if I were to look at the back of my Chamberlain garage door opener and zoom in, see that Learn button right there? It's yellow, okay? So look for your Learn button and determine what color that is. Now we can start the pairing process fairly easily now that we have that information. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and select the star and the hashtag, also known as the £sign. Go ahead and hold that down. See how it's blinking? Keep holding it down until it stops blinking. Wait for it. There we go. Now we are going to enter a pin. So for this demonstration purpose, we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now, over here, we have to determine, see, it was yellow right there. So that means I'm going to press the enter button one time because the color was yellow. So 1. Now to lock it in, we're gonna push 0. There we go. Now, within 30 seconds, I need to run up to here and I need to press the Learn button right there. Okay? Nice. Now it is pairing. So all we have to do is enter that same pin number again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right when I hit enter, hopefully, and that means that just confirmed that that door opener was talking to my keypad because it clicked on and off. And we are pretty much good to go. Let's go ahead and test this now, shall we? So using my horrible code of 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go ahead and see if we can open the door. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Hey, look at that. Awesome. That is so cool. It's working. There you go. In less than 4 minutes. I hope this helps.